morning students, myself Surekha Verma, the teacher of Reading International School. How are you students? I think you are of fine at home. Okay, so students, today we will study chapter number 13, tenses. Do you know about the tenses? This one very short story about the tenses. Okay, tenses. Tense is a grandfather. Okay. This grandfather has three sons. Their name is present, past and future. Each son is also having three sons. But now here, in this lesson number 13, we will study about only simple present tense and present continuous tense. Here, first we will study about the simple present tense. What is verb? What is tenses? Students, these verbs have tenses. Okay, verbs have tenses. A tense means these are tense. Okay, a tense tells us when an action has taken place. Action कहाँ पे ली गई है ये हमें बताता है tenses में. Okay, there are basically three tenses: present, past and future. How can we use this? Is, was, were. In present tense, generally we are using only is, are, has, have. And in past tense, past form, we are using was, were and have. Okay. In future tense, we will write will, shall. Understood everyone? Which forms will come in present, past and future? Now, just I will give you some examples of these verbs. How can we use the verbs in present, past and future? Everybody just concentrate properly on the blackboard. I write. Write. This is verb. This verb is in present form. Next is I study. Study is also in present form. Next is past tense. The examples of past tense. How can we use the past tense with verbs? Here, I write. Yes, this is the comparison in present and past. I write, then in present, I wrote. Because in this sentence, this verb is in past form. Okay? Then I study. Here simple present, simple tense. In present tense, we write here the verb is study, and in past we write here I studied. Study का क्या हो गया है यहाँ पे? Past tense हो गया है, ठीक है? And in future tense, I will study. हमने यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया है? Will. I will study. I will write. Understood everyone? Okay, just let's understand about the simple present tense examples. Everybody just concentrate properly on the blackboard. How can we use the present tense? How can we use some words in present form? See, in example number 1, I am Ima. Here, Ima is the name of the girl. Okay, what she is using here? I am. क्या यूज किया उसने यहाँ पे? I am. मैं कौन हूँ? इमा हूँ. I am. This is present form. Okay. Simple present sentences. Then is a smart boy. Here is. Okay. Present tense है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया है? वो है. Then is a smart boy. तो कैसा बच्चा है? Smart boy है. इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया है? Is. Okay. Then number 3rd. Okay, see number 3rd. Nancy has a black pen. Nancy के पास में क्या है? है उसके पास में अभी है इस वक्त. So it is in present form. So Nancy has. Nancy के पास में है a black pen. एक black pen उसके पास में है. हमने क्या यूज किया यहाँ पे? John. Two persons are there. Okay. So here pens. इसलिए यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Pens. Plural form में है. पेन और जॉन के पास में, दोनों के पास में है भी. क्या है? have. Ben and John have blue pens. John and Ben के पास में blue pens है. Have. It is also is in present form. Next is number 5 is I have a black pen. I have. मेरे पास है. I have. हमने क्या यूज किया यहाँ पे? have यूज किया है. किस लिए यूज किया? क्योंकि ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का सेंटेंस है. ठीक है, ठीक है. जब सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है और सब्जेक्ट क्या है? सिंगुलर है. ठीक है, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है, इसलिए यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया? I have a black pen. मेरे पास क्या है? ब्लैक पेन है. Understood everyone? Read the sentence properly. Again, just check out all the sentences. How can we use this present form, the verbs? Next, now you understood this all about simple present tense. Here, please study about the tenses of singular and plural. How can we write in singular form and plural form if the subject is in singular or in plural? See, the third three persons are there. Just like first is first person, second person, and third person. In first person, generally we are using I play. First person क्या कहेगा? I play. मैं खेल रहा हूँ. Okay. And second person will say you play. आप खेल रहे हो. You play. Then third person will say he, she, or it plays. Here we use only here we use plays. Okay. See here plays. थर्ड पर्सन क्या कहेगा? He or she plays. वो खेल रहा है. Okay. Third person will say. In plural form, subject is plural. Okay. Subject is plural, but verb will be not plural. Okay. Here we play. First person will say we play. हम खेल रहे हैं. Then second person will say you play. आप खेल रहे हो. जैसे मैम बोलते हैं ना, you all are keep quiet in the class. ये मतलब सिर्फ एक के लिए नहीं, not only a single person. It is for all. Okay, so we are using you play. Third person will say they play. वो खेल रहे. They means more. Plural आता है. Okay, understood everyone? See, when the subject. Okay, this is subject. This all is subject. You, I, you, he, she, it is a subject. Okay. We is also subject plural. Okay. This is also subject. And this is verb. Play, play. Okay. This is verb. This is verb. Okay. So when the subject is singular, यहाँ पे क्या है? Subject singular है. When the subject is singular, the verb is also the singular. Singular means एक वचन, जिसे हम कहते हैं हिंदी में कहते हैं एक वचन. One है, only one is there. I subject, one person is there. He saying I play. मैं खेल रहा हूँ. There is not s or es is not added here. Okay, only we use only play. Okay, a singular verb is there. Usually s or es. Here we use s in verb because s or es added to the verb in third person only. Okay, s we use only in third person in singular. Only in singular form, not in the plural form. In the plural form, we are not using s. We are not adding here s or es. Okay, only in form is there. Just, I am giving some examples for you. Okay, example is there. He dances to the dances. Okay. Then when the subject is plural, अब यहाँ पे क्या है? Here. यहाँ पे क्या है? आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे subject जो है वो थर्ड फॉर्म में है, लेकिन ये सिंगुलर पर्सन है. ओके, सिंगुलर है. But here they dance to the tune. Here the subject, okay, subject is in plural form. When the subject is in plural form, always the verb is also in plural. This is verb. Verb is also in plural. This is subject, but subject is in plural form. Okay, it is in plural form. Dances to the tune. Okay, the subject is plural, the verb is also plural. Verb भी क्या रहेगा? Plural में ही रहेगा. Thus, I dance. I dance. I है. I क्या है? Singular person है. Okay, तो हमने यहाँ पे verb क्या यूज किया है? Dance. क्योंकि ये क्या है? First person है. I dance. ये subject singular है. Verb क्या है? ये भी singular है. Okay, we use only singular form of the verb. In second sentence, you dance. You is only one person is there, second person is also there, and it is also plural. You are playing. आप अपने फ्रेंड को पूछते ना, you are playing with me. आप मेरे साथ में खेल रहे हो. But when asking to all the students, you are playing with me. आप सब मेरे साथ खेल रहे हो. You are using for in plural also and in singular also. Okay, but here we use only dance. You dance. It is you is singular also and in plural subject also. But here we are using only first form of the verb, not s or yes. Understand students this all? First person, second person, third person, and singular subject verb. Okay, second person subject verb. But in third person, if the subject is he, she, it, जब भी होता है तभी verb में s हम ऐड करते हैं, s और es, क्योंकि ये he, she, it से सेंटेंस शुरू होता है, okay, प्रोनाउन से शुरू होता है, इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे s यूज करते हैं verb में. लेकिन I, you रहेगा तो हम वहाँ पे s यूज नहीं करते हैं. अगर किसी का सपोज देयर इज अ नेम ऑफ एनी पर्सन, ओके, सो यू हैव टू यूज द s. से राम प्लेज क्रिकेट. ओके, नीता सिंग्स वेरी स्वीटली. सिंग्स हमने यूज किया, क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ पे नाम है, द नेम ऑफ द गर्ल. अंडरस्टूड दिस ऑल एवरीवन? I think you understood this all very well. If you are in confusion, then you can ask to me. Okay, just personally call to me. If you have any confusion, I will solve your problem. Okay, everyone. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.